Which oil to use for cooking? Cooking methods. When we are cooking with oil, it is important to understand the impact of temperature on oil. The smoke point is the temperature at which the oil starts producing toxic substances. Oils with high smoking points are ideal for deep frying. Oils with omega-3 have a lower smoking point and might be too unstable for frying but are an excellent fatty acid source and ideal for seasoning. Cooking methods. Different cooking methods reach different temperatures. Let's have a look. Pan frying, sauté, on stovetop heat, reaches 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Deep frying goes up to 160 to 180 degrees Celsius or 320 to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and baking is usually at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Unrefined oils. Unrefined oils are usually rich in unsaturated and polyunsaturated fat but have a low smoking point. These are seeds and nuts oils. Unrefined coconut oil is more stable at higher temperatures. Refined oils. Refined oils have a higher smoking point, but the refining process produces carcinogenic substances according to studies in animals. Sunflower seed oil and peanut oil are some examples. Solid fats. Solid fats are usually high in saturated fats which should be consumed in moderation. They have variable smoking points. For example, ghee has a higher smoking point and butter has a low one. Trans fat. Oils that have been made solid through hydrogenation like margarine are most likely rich in trans fat which can cause cancer and other diseases and must be avoided. They are mostly found in processed food. The types of oil. When we are cooking with oil, it is important to understand the impact of temperature. The same type of oil, depending on the processing, reaches different smoking points. For example, unrefined olive oil can have a smoking point of 160 degrees Celsius. Once refined though, the smoking point increases to 210 degrees Celsius, making it more stable, but decreasing some of the good properties of the original oil. Let's have a look at the suggestions in the next slides. Most unrefined seed oils are good for seasoning. You can use unrefined olive, sesame or coconut oil for pan frying as long as you keep the temperature around 120 degrees. If you are deep frying, baking or generally cooking at higher temperatures, consider ghee. Use refined seed oils in moderation. Unrefined coconut oil is also quite stable at higher temperatures. In the next table, you can have a look at the smoking point by type of oil.